The mighty king, the beast is awakening around.
Roar, roar, the lion's mighty roar.
Can you hear it echo from the jungle floor? Roar, roar, let's hear you roar some more. Join the lion's song and let your spirit soar.
I'm super excited to make this video today and to show you how to make an AI animated music video. In this video, I'm going to show you many of the latest AI tools that combined together can make an engaging and exciting AI children's music video. We're going to look at tools such as Suno to create the music, ChatGPT to create all the lyrics, and we're going to take live video performance of me singing along to the song that AI creates, and then take that video with the expressions, the animations, the voice sync, everything, take that into Runway Act One and get the characters to sing directly to the camera, as well as include dancing shots and wide shots. And once this has all come together, we'll have a fully comprehensive AI created children's animation video. So join me at the computer and let's get into this. First up, let's get creative with the lyrics. I'm using ChatGPT to brainstorm some fun song ideas for kids.
With just one quick prompt, I can instantly generate song titles like Lion's Mighty Roar. Perfect. Now that we've got our lyrics, let's add some music. But first, I'm going to ask ChatGPT which style of music we can use for the Suno AI music prompt. Here we are in Suno. First, we need to put in the song prompt and then the lyrics. Suno AI will help us compose a catchy tune that's bound to get kids dancing along. This AI is amazing. It gives us multiple versions so we can pick the best vibe for our video.
Okay, so let's give these songs a listen. I think it's going to be this one.
Next, we will bring the song to life with the MiniMax AI text to video generator. But first, we'll ask ChatGPT to help create text to video prompts to use for MiniMax. Just a few clicks and we've got vibrant scenes ready to set the stage. And here's a fun twist. I'll use Runway to add close-up shots of my characters singing along to the music. This tool lets me take a simple image and make it sing, so each character feels real and interactive.
Roar, roar, the lion's mighty roar. Can you hear it echo from the jungle floor? Roar, roar, let's hear you roar some more. Join the lion's song and let your spirit soar.
And that's it. With each tool, our song video is coming together piece by piece, like a digital puzzle. So if you've stayed this long, you've obviously enjoyed the video and followed along with the tutorial. And if you'd like to watch the full music video or enjoy it with your children, you'll find it here. And if you'd like to watch another tutorial or learn about more AI tools, here's another video that you'll find interesting here. And if you're not subscribed, please make sure to subscribe.